Yo, 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 it's Cinderella. So, what up? Today I'm going to show you how to remove the pocket off the front of a hoodie. The best thing to do it with is something called a stitch ripper or a seam ripper, and it looks like this. It's not expensive and it's really good at just getting in there and getting those precise stitches. If you don't have this, you could use a pair of small scissors like nail clippers or nail scissors, but we're going to use one of these. So here is your hoodie pocket, and you can see right away a little stitch holding it in place. So the stitch ripper is good at getting these little tiny stitches that hold it in place. All you do is slide it in and push, and it cuts it right down there. So we will just keep doing that along the pocket. So as the pocket starts to come away from the sweater, it gets easier to see these little stitches. So the start and the end of the pocket are the hardest because that's where there's 2 lines of stitches. Just remember that you want your sweater to look good, so you want to keep this fabric underneath intact, so you don't want to be too rough with the stitches. And we're done! Just like that. So if you want to take the whole pocket off, you're just going to keep using that stitch ripper all along the side of each pocket and along the bottom. I'm going to cut this into a crop sweater, so I don't need to worry about taking the bottom part of the pocket off. To cut it into a crop sweater, I'm now just going to fold it in half like this, so the shoulder seams meet at the side, and basically that gives us a fold down the center of the sweater and the back of the sweater. It's just going to make sure that when you cut, it's symmetrical on both sides. So once you have that area nice and smooth, you can go in with some good fabric scissors. So you're just going to go in with your fabric scissors and start cutting straight. We're going to cut right through these seams. And you always want to end this cut straight across, not at all in a point or anything. So you just cut straight and you're good. So now you can take this away. And when you unfold it, you have this nice crop sweater, no more pocket. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. We took off the pocket, cut it into a crop sweater, and then I have tons of videos on how to cut your sweaters into a scoop neck, so just check them out in the link below. Thank you so much for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.